وَمَا كَانَ هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ. You see the word, the Qur'an in the Arabic, and further it says وَتَفْصِيلَ الْكِتَاب, the Kitab word. In the very same one ayah, you see the two words, Al-Quran and Al-Kitab in Arabic. Meaning, you have been provided a book, and in that book, the reference is Surah Yunus 10 and ayah 37. It is already recorded earlier. And when I read the ayat, so that reading becomes the Qur'an. And what I read, you verified. The book is located in your hands. It's a confirmation. The Qur'an or the reading is a confirmation of Al-Kitab, the book or the written one. And this is very simple to understand. In any school, you have been given booklets. The teacher reads the same book and explains to you the book that is written already. And that when the examination comes near to you, he questions you and he expects you to answer near to the textbook already that was there given to you before. So the book is in front of you is the book, and what I read is the Qur'an.